Okay, busia for min chachu bibia na mesamo bibia kwa ba bi men fambra en kasa TV en kasa kase boso na adu sisi busia for aha de se mo amu ni dada se ye de update any trending news nko na ɛyɛ Sammy Gyamfi na ne ho aka adwuma a me no wo kasa yi deɛ na aba bi mama Sammy Gyamfi ho asa aka adwuma busuafoɔ ɛyɛ wakɔkeka nsɛm after sɛ ɛyɛ ato Forson ambulance trial no after sɛ first session no kɔɔ so wie no ɔkɔtena social media ɛkɔkeka nsɛm bi na abusuafoɔ nsɛm na ɔkɔkaeɛ no ɛma judge ɛyɛ afie asɛewa de bɛto abɔnten sɛ ɛnyɛ saa asɛm no ɛna ɔkaeɛ nkwa bi ne ho a ɛwɔ asɛm a ɛyɛ Sammy Gyamfi de akɔto ne Facebook official page no hɔ saa so na Godfrey Ɔdame nso so aba abɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɛnyɛ saa na ɛteɛ na Godfrey Ɔdame ama no strong apakat abusuafoɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa nti me ne wo kasa deɛ Sammy Gyamfi ho akyɛ ne yie paa na abusuafoɔ mɛsɛ sɛ ɔbɛgye brɛ ne akɔkotie nsɛm a Sammy Gyamfi de kɔto ne Facebook official page yɛkɔba yɛba abɛtoa so ha yɛ nkasa TV a yɛde update ɛnɛ ne da yɛdi kan a wotie me mɛsɛ sɛ ɔbɛsubscribe to my channel wobɛlike na wode w'adwenkyerɛ so gu comment section kamakama.
Judge who advised you to recuse yourself from the ongoing.
Please, stop this sensationalism. I think you remember you were in court. The judge herself, even after the ruling, clarified that she has not given any such order at all, and that is only an advice. And what did you notice afterwards? I'm conducting the matter. I'm still conducting the trial. The most important point today is that all the applications filed by the applicants have been dismissed in their entirety. All the 5 applications have failed. And I think that in reaction to this, I would say that clearly shows there's a group of people in this country who ride on manipulation of facts, distortion, and deception of the public. They're always seeking to mislead and deceive the public. Today, they've been exposed. That is what I say. I leave the rest to my friends.
So now that they've been dismissed, all the applications have been dismissed.
Yes.
How do you see this case going forward?
Well, today, when I was coming, I had a song in my spirit. Head of that church, triumphant. You know that song? Please. We joyfully adore thee. And then it goes on. Precisely. Continue. You have to play it to your radio stations. Head of thy church, triumphant. We joyfully adore thee. And I said to you that they will lay traps, but all the traps I'll flee from them. And indeed, only righteousness will prevail.
Right, so that's Ghana's Attorney General Minister for Justice, Godfrey Ɔdame. Sammy, so I asked a few questions about, so what is the way forward as we begin to wrap up on this?
What we just heard is Key Soup concert part.
That is seriously
comedy.
Let's allow him.
I'm commenting on that. No, it's important. Look at this Attorney General. You engage in clear misconduct, clear criminal conduct, and you are here using Bible verses and Christian songs. He's not even scared of God. Master, God is not a man who go for them. God is not a man that he should be mocked.
So what's the way forward for the NDC? What's the way forward for the NDC and the applicants?
You go and tell a witness, an accused person you're prosecuting, to falsify a fake medical excuse duty to deceive a court. And you have the audacity, the temerity to still quote Bible verses and sing Christian songs. This guy. So these are the foul. If this guy existed in the days of Jesus, he would have been whipped like Jesus whipped the Sammy.
You disagree with some of the judges' decisions. What is the way forward? What is the way forward? Well, what is the way forward?
Look at this criminally minded person.
Sammy, let's stay on
the emotional
Sammy, you disagree.
I'm scandalized. As a Christian, are you not scandalized that this guy will use the Bible in the name of God to cover up his crimes and his misconduct?
So you disagree with the court decision? What is the way forward?
What a joke!
What steps are you taking going forward as you have expressed your disagreement with some portion of the judges' decision?
It's the first one, which is what you quoted as to be coming from Sammy Gyamfi, who is with the opposition NDC. You know, I am a let's see what quote here. The sitting judge was advice if you true and what the man Attorney General. Prophet Ɔdame. So having listened to the audio, in the audio, no, or say, Attorney General, Richard Japa, Kasa medical excuse duty. Richard Japa and solicited from a medical facility to enable him delay the proceedings in court. Now, on Attorney General on the case, according to the sitting judge, she find that problematic, and so to protect the dignity of the judiciary, with to Attorney General for say, Tenka on Anka of the Dame on Trini is now a question. Will be put for from the Attorney General's office and to us. So it is an advice. They put to Anna that the Attorney General. We have to emphasize the advice. They put to any directive and I say order. Or share the kitty say Mr. Offerdiabo and step down or recuse yourself from this ongoing trial by order of court. No. And you know this here. Judge in the based on that particular conversation, to the effect that Mr. Japa should get an excuse form from a hospital to get him to delay the trial. No, she finds it problematic. But she goes on to say that she doesn't have the jurisdiction to make a concrete ruling on that. It is only the General Legal Counsel that is the body clothed with the powers to deal with that. She is the party now or involved. No, they should seek redress from the General Legal Counsel.
Okay, so on this one, what it means is that self-futuno Attorney General pa an offer offer.
Now, yet to court one. Even after that advice has been given to the Attorney General, the Attorney General went on to engage in the case. He didn't keep quiet. In fact, he is the only lawyer from the Attorney General's office. I mean, lawyers are moving Attorney General office or by an or Kasai and kind of even though after the advice that has been given by the judge, on one of course, so Kasai is a signal that maybe, just maybe, he will not take. He will kindly turn down the advice given by the judge. And when he came out, he decided to say, what does he make of the directive or the advice by the judge? I know Kasai say, even after the advice, he went on to engage. So he didn't say he will not take the advice, but he said he will say, even after the advice, he still went on. We don't know whether in future he would excuse himself or he would turn down the advice and continue to prosecute the ongoing trial.
So two main things. It can never be true that the Attorney General was directed. That's number one. The other fact is that a judge in the share say you are a Japani a at Forson say only to say one how be was some common consona and omitimi edia court General Legal Counsel I could do one common. Is that the case?
And Pepe on train a kitty say on train and also Japanese lawyers no. So pair General Legal Counsel any bit may be the conduct of the Attorney General on that telephone with regards to the Japa going to a hospital to get an excuse form to delay the trial. No? That conduct of the Attorney General. No? If Japa ever redress and then the lawyers ever redress, the only form available that is clothed with the powers is the General Legal Counsel. So they should do. So that's what she ended it there. That is the General Legal Counsel that has the powers, or that is close with the powers to deal with that.
Okay, so what happened again?
And also really the Manjo online story that says that the application, yes. So that is a fact.